to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I want to show you how I made this peanut butter cake. This peanut butter cake is delicious. Anyway, okay, we're going to start off by sifting 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You're going to take this, shift 2 cups of sugar or Splendid, and we're going to sift this too. Got 1 teaspoon of baking soda, spoon of salt. The wet ingredients, you want 1 cup of butter, and you're gonna need 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, then you want to take it to a boil real quick. When it's boiling like this, you want to take it off. You want to mix your wet ingredient with your dry ingredient all the way incorporated in there. Then you want to stir this very good. When you get it like this, 2 eggs. Then you want to beat them up. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You want to beat these together. They're real good. Cup of buttermilk, just half a cup. You just want to stir this real good all together. Then you want to add this into the mixture, and you just want to combine this together real good. And make sure it's real good incorporated. Take the sprayer and spray down real good, like that's what it looks like before we put it in the oven. And now we're going to put it into the oven and then come back when it's about done. So I'd say about 15 to 20 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. We need 1/2 cup of butter. Okay. Cup of Reese's spread. Then we got 1 1/3 cups of milk. And 1 teaspoon. Next, after we get it melted, we're going to add some affectionate sugar to our frosting, icing frosting. Put our icing sugar in, and now we're going to put just a capful of vanilla extract in it, and you want to stir this very well. Just thicken it, and just keep adding more affectionate sugar until it thickens more and more. If it thickens up, add a little more affectionate sugar. That's how you thicken it. Take a look at that peanut butter cake right there. We're going to do a taste test in a minute, but I just want you to observe what that looks like when it's done. Boy, it's beautiful. And I cooked this in the 8x8 pan. And we're going to do it. Now we're going to do, look at this. Look at this peanut butter cake. This is delicious right here. Very delicious. Man, look at that icing there. We're going to do a taste test on this. Oh God, that is delicious. Very delicious. That is delicious peanut butter cake. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell. Then I appreciate you for supporting my channel. Thank y'all, and y'all have a wonderful day.